In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download SSL certificate Godaddy. To begin, open your Godaddy account and go to the My Products page. Make sure you are logged in before moving forward, since the certificate tools are only available from inside your account dashboard. Once you are on the page, look near the top for the app switcher. Click it, and then choose your SSL certificate dashboard. This is the area where Godaddy groups together your SSL-related tools and settings, so it is a good place to start if you need to manage or download a certificate. After that, return to the My Products page if needed, and scroll down until you find the SSL certificates section. This section will show the certificates connected to your account. Take a moment to identify the active certificate that you want to use. It is important to select the correct one, especially if your account has more than one certificate listed for different domains or services. Once you find the right certificate, click the Manage button next to it. This will open the Management Details screen for that specific SSL certificate. On this page, you will be able to review the options available for that certificate. Scroll down through the details until you reach the section labeled Download Certificate. This is the part of the page that allows you to export the certificate files for installation or backup. Now choose your hosting environment format. This step matters because different servers and hosting platforms may require the certificate files in a specific format. If you already know what server or control panel you are using, select the matching format from the list. If you are not sure, it is a good idea to confirm the required format with your hosting provider before downloading, so you do not have to repeat the process later. Once the correct hosting environment format is selected, click the blue Download Zip File button. Godaddy will then prepare the certificate package and download it to your computer as a compressed zip file. After the download finishes, you can save it in a secure location and extract the files when you are ready to install the certificate on your server or hosting platform. That covers everything you need to know.